Hi, my name's Sam Cooper and I'm a professional makeup artist. Today I'm going to show you how to contour in 3 easy steps using the Kate sculpting palette. You've got the highlighter, the contour and the blusher. So I'm going to start with the highlighter. This is really lovely and shimmery and you can use it on the cheekbones and down the centre of the nose. I always like to put a little bit on the Cupid's bow. This gives a nice little highlight. A little bit around the temples. And then what you can also do with the highlighter, which I quite like, is grab a smaller brush and then you can just pop it in the very corner of the eyes, and this gives you that nice wide-eyed, open look. And then with the contour powder, if you think of it in like a 3, starting at the top, going under the cheekbone and then jawline. Suck in your cheeks a little bit and then just follow the line under the cheekbone, and this is going to really help give you a nice chiseled jaw. And you can also do a little contour down the nose, forehead. And this is a really nice natural shade. I think some can come up quite orangey, but this one doesn't. It looks really natural on the skin and it blends really well. And then finally, you want to go in with your really beautiful coral blush. And then if you just smile, you can get onto the apples of the cheeks and then blend it in. And there you have it in 3 easy steps: highlight, contour and blush. For more tips and tricks, please don't forget to subscribe below.